In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fully reset, reinstall, recover, and restore Windows 11. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this is obviously super helpful if you're running into problems, want a fresh start, or even planning to sell your PC. But before you do begin, keep in mind that depending on the option you choose, your files may be removed. If there is anything important on your computer, I strongly recommend backing it up first. But to get started, go ahead and press the Windows button down in the bottom of your screen, and then go ahead and open up your settings. In the left-hand menu, go ahead and select System, and then scroll down, and you're going to see a recovery option on here. Go ahead and select that. Under the recovery settings, you're going to see an option to reset this PC. Essentially, go ahead and click the button next to it, and you're going to be giving two options. The first option is to keep your files, which is going to remove apps and settings, but it does keep all your personal files. And the second option is going to be remove everything, which completely wipes that PC. Choose whatever option works best for you, and you'll be asked how you want to reinstall Windows. Essentially, you can choose local reinstall, which uses files already on the computer, or a cloud download if that is available. After selecting your option, just review the settings and click next. And once everything is ready, confirm your choice and click reset one more time, and Windows will begin the reset process and your PC will restart automatically. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.